Hi, I'm Krishna. I have had the good fortune during my younger days to be associated a few multinationals, which took me to some very responsible assignments abroad. One thing that stood out for me during this phase was an experience abroad definitely augurs well for your career back in India or overseas. So I recommend to all of you that a stint abroad, either as a student or a migrant, would come very handy for your future successes in life. This is where IELTS, PT, TOEFL come in. They're just the enablers for you to get into those countries. What's IELTS, PT, and TOEFL all about? They are nothing but a basic entrance test, so to speak, in terms of your communication skills in the language of English. What are the challenges faced by people, especially the youngsters, in terms of succeeding in these three entrance examinations, so to speak? Most prominent among them would be the grammatical skills. Putting the right preposition, the right verb, the right voice, that's one of the biggest challenges according to me. Another thing is writing. Writing is all about getting those contents in a sequential order, both in terms of grammar, in terms of contents, in terms of vocabulary, in terms of phrases, in terms of idioms. Students do confront situations where they quite feel nervous about the speaking session, which just lasts about 10 to 12 minutes. One can overcome the nervousness through practice and also some formal coaching. Listening, that's the art of interpreting the native accent, getting to understand what is all spoken about, and responding to 40 questions. In short, they're testing you on two skills: your receptive skills, that is your listening and reading of the receptive skills, and the productive skills, and that is writing and speaking. In short, if you're a combination of productive and receptive skills, you are through with the entrance examination. This is where iPromise plays a part. We are the leading institute in the field of IELTS, PT, and TOEFL training. We have established ourselves in such a way that we almost can guarantee you 100% success. What do we do, which is something different from the other academies? Most significantly, we have intense grammar lessons where our trainers tell you what is grammar all about. We have intensive writing, speaking, and listening sessions. It's a part of a daily routine. We have mock tests which you do very regularly, and by all reckoning, I could almost say that we are the best in this business. And to boot, we have limited batch size for very personalized attention, and also the state-of-the-art training room. So let us be part of your aspiration to go abroad. Thank you.